Hi guys, welcome to my video. How are you guys doing today? Well, I think I'm craving for something sweet. Why don't we make one today? I know. Why don't we go for burnt cheesecake? 250 grams of cream cheese, 200 ml of whipping cream, caster sugar, eggs, vanilla essence. Lastly, we need wheat flour. Step number 1. Preheat oven to 160 Celsius. Step 2. Add cream cheese into a mixing bowl. Whisk for 30 seconds. Step 3. Add 100 grams of sugar into the mixing bowl. Whisk again for 30 seconds. Using a spatula, scrape the edge of the bowl and make sure all ingredient is well combined. Step 4. Add in 2 eggs. Crack 1 egg per time. Step 5. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Step 6. Add 200 ml of whipping cream into the mixing bowl. Mix again for 30 seconds. Step 7. Add 1 tablespoon of wheat flour. Mix well all the ingredients. Again, use a spatula to scrape the edge of the bowl. Next, tear a sheet of baking paper and place it into a baking pan. Step 8. Place the batter into the oven 180 Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. Now it's done. Place it on a cooling rack and let it cool down for a while before placing it into the fridge. I left the cake in the fridge overnight. Burnt cheesecake is highly recommended to eat while it's cold. I guess we reached the end of my video. Thank you so much for you guys to stay tuned to the end. And don't forget to try out this recipe. I guarantee it's worth a try. See you again next time. Have a great day and bye bye.